Hey guys, Doreen here from Puzzling Manor Dog Training with Milo, and we're going to be working on step 3 of teaching your dog to come when called the first time, every time. Now, in this step is when we're going to start to introduce distractions, and we are going to do it in a controlled manner, okay? Because it's not about setting our dogs up to fail, even if we are correcting them. What we're going to be focusing on doing is challenging our dogs a little bit, having them be successful, and then challenge them a little bit more. Now, you can already tell he's whining, he's a little bit excited because he's more driven and distracted by toys. Now, in this step, we're still keeping him on the short leash, but we're going to start working him a little bit on the grass because there's all those smells right on the grass that are going to be competing with our dog's attention. Furthest away are the two toys he's the most distracted by, which include a fuzzy ball by the Chuck-It brand and a Cuz ball, which is a rubber squeaky ball. And you can see all he wants to do is get back to playing with them. But I still need him to come, even if those toys are present. A little bit closer are things that are going to be easier for him, which is a bag of treats, a bowl of kibble, another bag of treats, a pile of llama, which is dispenses treats, and this rope toy right here. So far, he hasn't really seemed to be too interested in anything other than those toys. But to set him up for success, we're not going to wait for him to be completely engaged in playing with those toys and then try to call him away. No, we're introducing distractions, so we're going to let him be slightly distracted and then make sure he comes and calls. So I'm going to bring him over here because it's a little bit easier. Just let him start to move around. First thing he does, I always go for those high-value toys. Milo, come. Good boy. Now I do use Come for a casual reward as well, recall as well, so he knows that one. Get on the grass a little bit. Milo, here. Good boy. Good job. Make sure he comes all the way to you before you give him the reward. Good boy. Break. Here? Good boy. Good job. Remember, I want to be able to reach down and pet him and have him hang outside Lucy. Good boy. Right. Good. Good job, buddy. Milo, here? Good. Let's go, boy. Right. Start moving right. I let him start going towards the toy that he wants the most. And I called him as he was walking towards it. Milo, here? Yeah, good boy. Good job, buddy. So we're going to do that again. We're going to let it a little closer. Here. Good boy. Here. Good. Good job, buddy. Very good. Milo, break. Now I'm going to play with him with the food because he wants to play. That is what is motivating him. He wants his toys. He wants to have fun. So the food reward is, yes, you know, he likes it, but he doesn't like it as much as he likes the toys. So I'm going to make the food and getting the food, getting access to the food. He thinks I want him to stay away from the toys. I believe at least by him staying close. Milo, here. Good boy. Good job, Milo. Right. He's pretty much avoiding them. That time he noticed he got close to the toy. He was like, not coming. And this is why it has to be done on leash. Because had he not been on leash, he would have not come to me, and he would have got the toy, which means he would have gotten the reward for ignoring the cue. said, we're doing the distractions in a controlled manner, and this is going to be one of the most challenging parts of teaching your dog to come when called, because a lot of people say, my dog will come unless, and unless is the distraction. And so it's not practical to think your dog is on a 4 to 6 foot leash, walking with you and coming every time he hears the word, to being able to come when called, off leash, running through a field chasing a rabbit. That's just, you have to work your way up there through distractions. So we're keeping this very easy, very controlled, but this is the step we're going to spend the most amount of time on, is making sure that close to me, he will turn and come away from a toy. And we're keeping it very controlled. We're getting a lot of repetitions. I'm going to come over here, back to this chocolate toy. Oh, very nice. Over here. Good job, Bubbles. Come on, baby. Go. Good job. Now we're going to second one. Good job. Yeah, good boy. Oh, very nice. Milo, here. Yeah, good boy. Milo, here. Good. Great. So, his reward this time will be I'm going to play with him. Oh, very nice. Oh, very good. Because he wants that more than food. Milo, here. Good boy. Good job. Good boy. What's this? Great. Good. Milo, here. Good. Milo, break. Very nice. Good job. Almost. Go get it. Milo, get your toy. So again, I don't want him to think he's not allowed to play with the toy. I just wanted to start to learn that he has to come even when he's interacting with the toy. Really wants that chocolate ball. Oh, fun. Milo, here. Good job. Very good. Good boy. Milo, break. Excellent. Good boy. Oh, sorry. All right, guys. So again, spend a lot of time. Get your repetitions in. Start to challenge your dog. Let your dog be successful. Make it a little bit more challenging. Don't just set your dog up for failure by doing super difficult distractions. To correct your dog so he learns that through corrections he has to listen. That's great for the end product, for getting that reliability, but in the teaching phase early on, be fair. Be very fair about those corrections, be very fair about the distractions. Well, break.